Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Vibes. In this video, I am going to show you a best online video editor. Free online video editor is a complete package tool that has the functions of almost all video editors. If you are looking for a multifunctional tool, Acethinker free online video editor is here to help you produce stunning videos with its powerful tool that comes with all the features that required to create great videos without the experience needed. You can edit video clips on the web without flooding tabs of tools. It has simple video editing tools. User information will be permanently deleted within 24 hours. It does not require technical skills to edit videos. Supports almost all video formats such as MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, and anytime you want to edit your video online, you can easily open any browser with any device you have. Then you can edit your videos freely. Free online video editor is working well on both Windows and Mac. Edit your videos with your device. Simply open your browser and start editing. Just make sure you have an internet connection. So the link is available in the video description. Here you can see the different options like trim video, rotate video, crop video, video speed, compress video, mute video, video to GIF, and snapshot. You can easily crop your videos. Just click on crop icon. Here you will see the plus button. Just click on it. I have dropped a video here. You can crop your videos for widescreen, Instagram, portrait, traditional, or custom it as you want. You can also set it as original. Here you can change the timing. You can also download the app. You can see the processing has begun here. When you download the app, you will see the interface like this. You can click on new project. You can import the files here. Here you can see a best video editing tools are present here. You can import, record, online class, video, audio, subtitle, etc. You can also add music, text, transitions, filters, overlays, elements in it. But now we are talking about free online video cropper or video editor. So I am telling you the feature of this one. I'll make another separate video on its download app. Once the processing finish, you can also mute the voice of the video. Just click on start processing. So when the processing finish, you can export it to according to your desire to any format. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.